Extremely low miles for an 11-year-old bike. In color Pacific Blue Pearl, we have a 2007 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Standard. With the exception of some pitting on the lower portions of the forks, this bike shows really nice. Previous owner upgraded the exhaust system, the grips, and the stereo with a Sony versus the Harman Kardon they come with. This bike has well under 30,000 miles, which is super low miles for being 11 years old. In addition to the grips, the windshield, and the stereo, the previous owner also bought you a real nice sounding set of Screamin' Eagle pipes. Low and throaty, loud enough to let people know you're coming, not loud enough to set off the car alarm of every one of your neighbors. Pretty blue color, nice logo treatment, shows beautifully, and low miles. Bike is available for a test look, test listen, and test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.